Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Fisheries Directorate celebrates World Fisheries Day. MDC Tabor Pathau along with the headman visit water sources of Meghalaya. Awaken India Movement Meghalaya State Unit joins worldwide rally for freedom with silent rally at Motpran parking space. And St. Anthony's College Extension Bindihati observed the 4th graduation cum farewell celebration. And now the news in detail. The Department of Fisheries organized a celebration of the World Fisheries Day 2021 at the premises of the Directorate of Fisheries at Shillong. The program was conducted in the presence of fish farmers from 6 districts: East Khasi Hills, East Jaintia Hills, West Jaintia Hills, Southwest Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Ribhoi and Garu Hills district. During the program, the book Composite Fish Culture and Biofloc Technology, published and prepared by Meghalaya State Fisheries Research and Training Institute, Maupun, was also released. Honorable Minister of Fisheries Department Nyau Bhalang Dhar graced the occasion as chief guest in presence of Isawanda Lalu, IAS Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, SC Sadhu, IAS Ketri Fisheries Department, and the Director of Fisheries, amongst other dignitaries. Chief guest Nyau Bhalang Dhar, in his speech encouraging the fish farmers of the state, said, "Our state may not be at par with other states in terms of fish production, but we should not give up. Our quantity might be less, but our local fish is of high quality. Fish farming boosts the employment directly and indirectly and will therefore link fisheries with the tourism department," added Dhar. Also, the minister in charge, S. Dhar, handed over the keys to 2 beneficiaries of 2-wheeler bike with icebox assistance under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana scheme 2020-2021 by the government of Meghalaya. There was also a presentation of awards to the best performing fish farmers from each of the districts.
Honorable Leadership of Mr. Shakil Ahmed Ji, who is the Principal Secretary, it's really a wonderful job which has been carried out by them in my departments. And today prove it. I thought Fisheries Department is a very tiny and small department. And really I'm telling you, my officer is always trying to make the Fisheries Department in such wonderful ways as we have seen today after here in this program.
The MDC Tabor Pathau, along with the headman of Meghalaya today, visited the sources of Mauyong Japung, Mauyong Rim and Thlong, which receive water from Shillong and Shillong. The purpose of this visit is to provide drinking water for these localities of Meghalaya. Tabor Pathau said that the project for providing water to these localities of Meghalaya will be implemented soon by the PHE department. Speaking to the media, the headman of Mauyong Rim, S. Nyongpyur, said the residents were getting water from Umshing River, but now the people are purchasing from private water suppliers at an exorbitant price after the pump broke down.
PHE hadin ke jingon yu jat jung minister badan brom chene kapelong ke department mata kan stang ke survey mata singi ke survey kelas sedang bakin yo ban pendep ak por babiang kanang bakan ke project ke bangidan ke jingtumu naga banta ban ayom bam di sekini kisnong kiba ai tengku sya ke jing ya ka pelong ngi bagian wanlang batang ni mata singi wanlang ki romas nong bro light kisnong pas ki rong badong no block 13 banun pet ini cekasne simpen hakene sing baar hagaji kendu bangi khot meeting ki romas nong bat ki rong badong jadi kisnong ki badan jingtumu pun poi gini ka ngi lakarpat iki officer jang PHE ki wanlang to singi marukum noro ya ka survey ya ka plan dak nomno by March lesim sistem dewan pendap kanang ba nginyo pat ban yakran ba government ban pudien ba nginyo ya ka plan manta kajing simkhya jungi kini kalong ba halor kajing kerdu pelat jungi kisnong kumakalong manta leng isu senai kinong song mau yang jepung mau yang rimba ladi kitayau menta kiklami shu nakadaw ba katuko kapa po singru klami ba kadan kajing thut Data kadau ka pelongi bagin habban kerpat e government bakan start ini project kadang bagin song sakti kin yo di kaba kwar ban persone ka lomba pi ka tu ka jingwan tu ka project JNURM ka tu ka project anu senam arjar sipau dan ka dan pak ka thut ka PhD ba PWD tu ka por kin pat yo ban stang hari tu kala bampor but ka tu ka project ani pi kan poitang atu po thlong samoyong sai kan numkot Kita kadau kini projek dan kambahan nam tak kinong moyong bat nakaliang juga ekonomi kemar ringkat bat lang bat kinong song senong ginang lam senong ngin ngilek kabala ban kerpat e government bakan start projek kanang bat kinong song sti kinong something nak video kumba mumdi.
Dear viewers, let us now take a short break. Welcome back. We'll continue with the remaining news. Awaken India Movement Meghalaya State Unit today joined the worldwide Rally for Freedom with a silent rally held at Motpran parking space in Shillong. The rally also expressed disapproval against the state government for putting pressure on the citizens of the state to take the COVID vaccination. The rally was participated by Meghalaya Legislator of North Shillong, Mr. Adilbert Nongrum. Speaking to the media, Nongrum said his main responsibility is what he should do for the people. On the other hand, Dr. Basayomoy said the state is having its good intention while trying to get the people vaccinated, but to force them to take the vaccine is against their fundamental rights enshrined in the Indian Constitution.
Your next election, collect part your next generation. Sao pukul Islam, kita berkreat bertau king bahaya Banraki yang akan celebration of 50th anniversary. Since the time of inception of a state, we haven't met what they had promises, what they had made their promises. They had failed in all round, in every aspect. They had failed, and now they are prepared for celebration. Kanigong mensua hakapor kaba niaki hill state niyong kumno no hill state no rest. Kanay ngong kumno nita kang niya nita kapor kapor kanay po inside assembly agos house ngong but no solution no celebration. Kang ni ginot kit kan ba siya po bordar pat sa kentang Kinlechan sekarang karyang kim tiknaron pai biang kin ba mayu mesti ba mayu mer kim tip kin sia man mit kin ki mesti kim tikna hatu pelong lo pengkre balia rakhi ta 50th anniversary ngala de balingkong ngada jitiet persia yang sarkar balikan boycott ngam tip kadnu na pi kibalong kloy hupong rium don reservation policy ruti ngon perkala
St. Anthony's College Extension Bindihati in East Giant Hills District yesterday observed the 4th graduation cum farewell celebration at the school auditorium amidst rejoicing by school authorities, teachers and students. The celebration was marked with the academic profession by students and dignitaries, followed by the traditional lighting of the lamp, heralding the dawn of light to signify driving away the darkness of ignorance from the society. Giving his address and short story of the school, the principal of the college, Father George S. Linkoy, informed that the school comprises students belonging to different cultures and languages of the northeastern region and state of the country, including students from Myanmar and Bangladesh. Father Linkoy also gave a short history of the school and said,
Currently, the college has 7 departments, namely Commerce, Education, English, Khasi, History, Political Science, and Sociology. All these departments are doing well academically. Of the 4 batches of students that have passed out, Education, English, and Khasi have passed with 100% results for the 3rd consecutive time. Our departments too, other departments too, have 100% results in 1 or 2 of the batches. And Sociology department to be mentioned. In every batch, 60% of the students have always passed with 1st division. We have students who have secured very high percentage in all the 4 batches who got admissions in Northeastern Hill University and other central universities of the country. Many of our 1st and 2nd batches of students are already working and doing very well, thanks to the hard work and collaboration of the management, the faculty, the students, and the parents. Along with the academic emphasis, our college stresses on communication skills, leadership training, personality development, and nurturing students' talents. All those performing on stage this afternoon are our very own students. Diversity is another blessing that we have.
The chief guest, who is the chairman of Meghalaya State Planning Board, Mr. Lambor Malnyang, while delivering the presidential address, lauded the students who have successfully completed their graduation. Malnyang termed their success as an honor to the parents and college authorities. He also assured the gathering that he would take keen interest that a scheme for construction of the hostel for the college is sanctioned by the state government.
Fund has been allotted to different schools. So when I checked with this, what are these schools for? Who run the schools? All the government-aided schools. And I have not seen a single file till date that I'll be able to support the religious institution. But I will ensure now I'll be able to clear at least one file of that religious institution, and that file belongs to the St. Anthony's College Bindihati for the extension for construction of the hostel of here. I will clear, my pen will be the first finger of mine that will be used in this particular file. It is lying with me now. And I will carry myself to ensure that you get the sanction. By any means. Don't ask me how. But leave it. I will take care and come back here with the sanction order. Father, this is my words to you. It reminds me during my college days. I'll tell you something. I was also going to receive the certificate of graduation. And I asked myself, where am I heading to? Am I heading to a right direction, or I am heading to a wrong destination?
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.